Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and Tuesday broken down in, Tuesday and Wednesday broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. In all actuality, no overall updates need to be done because all the levels that I talked about on Tuesday still do pertain. But the one kind of update within an update, if you will, is that this area of resistance at this red line here at 0.0155, I would definitely consider it a weakened up area of resistance. And I say that because earlier on in the day, the price did spend some time up above that level. Now, granted, because the price still closed below it, that's why you would still need to consider it a level of resistance. But I would definitely agree, with anyone that's saying, yeah, but it's a weakened up level of resistance. And yeah, like I said, a weakened resistance, but still a resistance nonetheless. So 0.015 remains that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then you have the 0.0165 mark, which I talked about in yesterday's video, and you can see actually out of the opening gates today, price didn't quite hit it, but got right up around that area. So that's been, update's not the right word, but definitely confirmation would be more of an accurate term in terms of, being confirmed that there are some sellers up there at 0.0165. As far as levels of support, nothing new here to report. I mean, I suppose the one thing that I could point out is that, the lowest it got was right here. So in the very near term, you can see these lows just keep getting higher and higher, which is always a good thing. But at the same time, I don't want to make it come across like if the price drops below that low right there, that means everything's totally ruined, because that wouldn't be the case at all. So from an overall perspective, though, 0.014, that green line there is still that nearer term level of support. And then from more of the overarching perspective, keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And as that line continues to move itself higher and higher, then as long as the price stays above it, then from the big picture point of view, the bulls are still fully in control of the chart. So overall, yeah, I'm a little disappointed that the price pulled back from its highs this morning, but that's just, 1 day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.